Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crunch, my initiative to create short videos on any random programming topic. Today's topic is records in C#. If you don't know me, my name is Ravindra. Before moving further, make sure to like this video or leave a comment and hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Let's get started. Records are just like class, but they are immutable. We will see what does immutable mean. We will see it later. First of all, let's see how we define records. So we define records just like public record, name of record, and let's name it. Let's give it some properties: string name, string email, and that's it. We are done. We have created our record. So let's see how we can instantiate it. So we instantiate it just like class. So just type here person equals to new, and here we will pass some data like person name. Let's name it John, and email john@gmail.com. Okay, and let's print its values. So these are records, and here we have done our initialization. Now what does immutability mean? Immutability means we cannot change we cannot change its properties after we have instantiated the records. So if I type here person dot name, and if I write like this, person dot name equals to something like this. So let's see the error message. Object init only properties or indexer person dot name can only be assigned in an object initializer. Okay, so there is no way we can change the value of name or email, so we have to remove this line. So that's why it is immutable. So let's try to get its values in the console. Let's see how it is looking here. .NET run, and so here name is John and email is john@gmail.com. Okay, we can achieve similar thing with class. So let's see how we can achieve same functionality with class. It means we cannot change the properties of a class. How do we achieve it? So let's write here record slash class. We can define a class here. So it is our class person2 with properties name and email, and here you have to note one thing. You have to notice one thing, that we haven't provided set here. Rather than set, we have provided init keyword here. It means we can only initialize it from object initializer, or we can change it through the constructor. We cannot directly change the properties, so we will change it through constructor. So I'm going to type here public and name of class person2. We are going to define here constructor, and that constructor will take two properties, name and email. So I'm just going to type string name, string email, and let's set the value of name. Name equals to name, and email equals to email. That's it. So let's shift it here. Now it is looking much better, and here we are setting these values from the constructor, just we are doing here with the class. So let's write here it is a record. Okay, and it is a, here we are instantiating class. So that's it. So let's do the same thing here. Person2 equals to new person, or we can write directly like this, John2 and John2 @gmail.com. Okay, so we are doing same thing with class person2 equals to this. Okay, let's copy this line here, and here person2 it will be capital N and it will be capital E. That's it. And here let's write here person2, and here let's just name it class, sorry, record, and here okay, person will be fine. So here we have person, and here we have person2, which is class. Now if I try to change the value of property of person2, let's change it name. Let's name it John Doe. So are we able to do that? No. Here you can see init only property or indexer person2.name can only be assigned in an object initializer, so we cannot change it. So we have achieved the same functionality like records. So that's not only the case with records. Records have some more powers, so we will look into those powers now. So here I have tried to run this project, and here I have an error, and I have this error because I did not save this class. Now let's go here and run it again, and it should not give any error now. Now it should work fine. So yeah, person name John at@gmail.com, person2 and blah 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 blah. Now we'll look some more power of records. So record come with inbuilt toString method. What does it mean? So if I do not write it here and I just write person.toString, and I do the same thing here, just removing this guy and just write here person2. So let's see what it will print. So I'm just gonna go here, let's type .NET run, let's see the output. So here you can see person, which is a record, is printing all its properties, but person2 is not. Record have the definition for this toString, but our class does not have, so we have to override toString method here inside this class. So just write here public override and toString, and here we will return this string. That's good. So now let's run it, and here .NET run, let's see how it is working. So yeah, now we have person name equals to John blah blah blah, and we have this person2 name John, email john@gmail.com. So here we have to define this toString method in the case of class, but record have inbuilt functionality for this toString class. So let's try one more thing here. Let's copy this, and name is person copy, and here it will have the same value as the previous object. So let's compare these two records. Person, let's type here, sorry, records, and let's try to compare these two things, person and person copy. So let's try to compare it, person person copy. Okay, and let's do the same thing here, person to copy. Okay, and just copy this guy here, and just copy, just paste it here, and it will be class. So let's see how it works. So we have to go here and just type this. So it is not the desired output because I have done a mistake here. I have to copy, sorry, I have to compare person2 to person2 copy. So now we are done here, and let's remove this line. We do not need it now. So let's go here and just type .NET Run, and here we can see that records are true and class is false. So record come with inbuilt equal method, but class does not. We have to override dot equals method. Even if I type here person2 dot equals this, let's see how it is working. Let's go here and just run it. Here is still the same result. So records comes with inbuilt equals method, but class does not. You have to override that equals method here, just like this one. So let's define this equals method here, and here is the functionality. I have pre-written it, and we are just manually comparing these properties. So let's try to run it here. So just .NET Run, that's it. So here both are true. You can also define it like public record class, and it is the same as previous one. You can also make it struct. So let's copy this, and we can also have record struct. Let's just name it public is person struct. So it is our record struct. That's it. And one more thing, we can also define some properties which are mutable. So just type here prop, and it will be age. Now here person dot age equals to 50, or you can define it like here in the object initializer. So just name here age equals to 50, and just remove this guy. We are fine. I'm gonna put it here. So we can also change it here. It is not mutable, it is just mutable. So if I type here person dot age equals to 60, now here we have no error, and we are able to change the property age because it is not immutable. So let's try to run it here. Let's see the output. And here we have one more property, age equals to 60. So we have just changed it here. So that was all about records in C#. I hope you find this video helpful. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe this channel. That's it for now. See you next time.